Hey guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel, and today I'm going to show you the top macro activities you can do in Microsoft Office. Let's start. First off, I'm going to show you how to make a shortcut to adjust the font sizes of the text in Microsoft Word. All you have to do is click on View, click on Macros, click Record Macro, name this Macro 1, and press Keyboard. Do you want to replace? Yes. Now I choose the shortcut key of Control 1. Press Assign, close it, go back to Home, and press the Grow Font once, go back to View, and stop recording. To have a shortcut of the shrinking of the font, Record Macro, and name it Macro 2. Press Keyboard, replace Yes, and I chose Control 2 as the shortcut, Assign, press Close, go to the Home button again, and press the Shrink Font once, go back to View, stop recording. Now, the macros are assigned. Let's test out if it works. As you can see, the grow font works and the shrink works as well. Next, I'm going to show you how to make a shortcut for sorting in Microsoft Word. All you have to do is click on View, press Macros, Record Macro, type Macro 3, and press Keyboard, check Yes, input Control 3 as your shortcut, assign and close. Go to Home. Now, this is the sorting. Press it once, OK, then go back to View, and press Macros, stop recording. Now that should do it. That should make sorting a Control 3 button shortcut. Now let's input some names, alphabetically. Let's say Zombie, Gary, Anna, Deku, and Charlie. Now, as you can see, this is not alphabetical. We sort it with Control 3. Now that's how you do sorting and putting it in a shortcut. In this part, I'm going to show you how to assign a font that you like into a shortcut by using a macro. Now, all you have to do, oh wait, let's input a data first. So as you can see, this font is using Calibri body. Now let's go in View, Macros, Record Macro. Now Macro 4 and press Keyboard. Shortcut key is Control 4. Assign and close. Now go to the font. If I want to put Arial Black in the macro. Now stop recording and let's test. Brian is, oh, let's put it again on Calibri body. Is, okay, it's making a video. Now if I want this video to be Arial Black, all I have to do is press Control 4. There we go. That's how you assign your wanted font into a shortcut like Control 4. Next, I'm going to show you how to make a shortcut of sorting with macro in Microsoft Excel. All you have to do is click on View, click on Macro, click Record Macro. Now the shortcut key we are going to use is Control Shift S, or whatever you think that is not occupied by others as shortcut. Now Control Shift S, press OK, go to Home. Now we'll input something that is not sorted. Names of random, Zara, Gary, Skirt. That's not a name, but Mute. Okay, that, as you can see, that these are not sorted. There we go, so that you can see it clearly. Then highlight this all, press Sort A to Z, and go back to View and stop recording. Now, when we highlight this again and press Control Shift S, there we go. Now the shortcut macro works as sorting. Next, I'm going to show you how to make a shortcut of a Fibonacci sequence in Microsoft Excel. Now, you have to click on View, Macros, Record Macro, Macro Through, and we're going to use Control Shift F. Press OK. Now, in this third cell of A, we're going to put a formula. Equals A1 plus A2. Now this, you have to drag this on whatever cell you want. Now this is a Fibonacci sequence. Now click the macro, stop recording, then Control Z. So if we click Control Shift F, yes, it works. Next up, I'm going to show you how to fill up your desired cells with any color by using macro. Click View, press Macro, Record Macro. There we go. Then shortcut key, I choose Control Shift L, press OK. Now go back to Home button. And we will use this kind of blue. Yes. Now you see that's filled up with using this but not macro. Now go to View, stop recording. Now if we desire to fill that up with macro, we just have to put Control Shift L. I desire these cells to be filled up. I'll press Control Shift L. See? That is.